Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and clearing the work area. This prevents damage and shocks. Next, remove keycaps gently with a puller so you can see the switch. Use a labeled tray for screws. Once the keycaps are off, unscrew the backplate and separate the PCB from the case. Make sure to note connector orientation so you can reattach later. You are now positioned to inspect the switch and act on the visible problem without guessing. You will now inspect the switch and surrounding PCB. Dirt and corrosion often cause failures, so blow out debris and clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl. If the board is hot swap, pull the switch straight out. If it is soldered, heat the pads at roughly 300 to 350 degrees Celsius and remove the solder while pulling the switch. Once removed, test the suspect switch on a tester or use a multimeter in continuity mode to confirm an open circuit or intermittent contact. You finish by inserting the new switch aligned to the holes. Press straight down if hot swap, or solder each pin using minimal solder and proper flux to avoid bridges. Once reassembled, reconnect power and use a key testing app or the operating system's keyboard viewer to confirm repeatable key presses. If the key still fails, try another new switch to rule out a bad replacement. Also inspect nearby traces and reflow suspect solder joints. This single troubleshooting tip often saves a second repair cycle.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.